Since we were kids, we have been told to aim high. That may not have been the greatest advice that we could have received. True, it is important to continually grow and develop as a person, but is shooting for the stars the best strategy? When we look at success logically, and with what we have learned about people over the last few hundred years, it becomes apparent that aiming low is a much healthier and surer path to success. Here's why. Certain laws in nature seem to apply to all things. One is the Pareto principle, also known as the 80-20 law or Matthew rule. In simple terms, it says that there will be a 4-to-1 split in all things. 80% of production will be created by 20% of the workers. 20% of shoppers will account for 80% of sales, and 80% of success will be found by 20% of people. It is believed that the driving force behind this rule is the simple idea that success brings more success, and failure breeds failure. Understanding the truth in this, it only makes sense to achieve as many goals as possible while minimizing the number of setbacks you suffer. The simplest way to accomplish this is by setting micro goals rather than grandiose objectives. It is more likely that you will be able to read one book in a month than the entire encyclopedia over a year's time. That big target is too far away, takes too long to achieve, and is a far more daunting task. By the same token, if you say, I am going to save $5 this week, you are more likely to succeed than if you try to save $260 this year. One is more immediate, is less intimidating, and seems much easier to accomplish. The end result is exactly the same, but by aiming low, you are able to find more immediate success and build upon it. Just as importantly, you will suffer less stress by setting goals that require a minor increase in your efforts. I like to think of it as climbing the proverbial ladder. We might not be able to jump from the street to a penthouse suite, but one small step at a time may just get us there. So, aim low to achieve great things.